7-Minute Stories launches Storytelling University. 7-Minute Stories, a renowned storytelling platform, has launched Storytelling University, a monthly live lecture series designed to elevate storytelling skills for professionals, creatives, and entrepreneurs. Available via Riverside, YouTube, and LinkedIn, the series blends practical techniques with storytelling philosophy, helping participants craft compelling narratives that strengthen brand messages, enhance public speaking, and improve business communication. Recognizing storytelling as a strategic asset in marketing, leadership, and content creation, Storytelling University provides real-world techniques that attendees can apply immediately. Each interactive session offers real-time engagement, live Q&A, and practical exercises, all led by top experts in the field. With over 30 million listeners and 250-plus live performances across 20 states, 7-Minute Stories has captivated audiences with its signature style. Storytelling University builds on this legacy, making high-quality storytelling education accessible to a global audience. Registration is now open for those looking to gain actionable insights and turn storytelling into a competitive advantage.